Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear saved items on Facebook to remove posts, videos, and links you've bookmarked, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Facebook in your web browser or mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. On desktop, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. On mobile, tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom or top of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and click on Saved to access your saved items collection. This is where Facebook stores all posts, links, videos, and other content you've bookmarked. Step 4. Browse through your saved items, which are organized by collections or in a main All section. You can view items by type such as posts, videos, links, or events. Step 5. To remove a single saved item, hover over it on desktop or tap and hold on mobile until options appear. Click the three-dot menu icon on the item. Step 6. Select Remove from Saved or Unsave from the menu options. The item will be immediately removed from your saved collection. Step 7. To clear multiple items, you'll need to unsave them individually, as Facebook doesn't currently offer a bulk delete option for saved items. Step 8. For better organization going forward, create collections to categorize your saved items by topic. This makes it easier to manage and find content later, and you can delete entire collections when no longer needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.